So if you're using prop firms, then you want to definitely make sure you're using a prop firm amount, 25K, 50K, totally up to you. And then boom, there it is. Demo accounts is created right there for you. If you're ready to trade, you can simply click trade and it will take you to the platform where you can log in to their platform and start trading live with your demo money. Now, I like Sway because they have their own platform. This definitely is a cool way to get people and keep them on board. Now you're seeing me log in. Very simple. Now this is the wrong account. Let me click on this one right here. Switch to the right account, and then you'll see it pop up on the right hand side. Boom. Super simple to get plugged in. Now you're into a broker. Now you can start trading. So again, I won't go into too much details about Sway. I want you guys to do your own due diligence, as we don't tell you which broker to use. We just show you who's available. What we will say is you want to make sure you use a broker who is reputable, because some of these brokers are foo-foo. They fugazi. They fake, right? And we want to protect you guys. We want you guys to protect yourself. So make sure they are a company. If you're in the U.S., they deal with U.S. users, right? Make sure they at least verify you are who you are, right? OX Securities is the company. They do the same thing. They'll verify we are who we are. And they seem to be a company that is paying out. So that's the biggest thing. If you use these MT4, MT5, you use these non-regulated, again, non-regulated, because until you see that these companies are regulated, which means registered and legally able to conduct business in the U.S., you want to kind of be hesitant of them. So Sway Markets is a good one. They have a lot of potential. Oanda is definitely a great one that you can use. They've been around for a while. Another reason why we like them is because once you come here, if you come use Oanda, you can click on Start Trading. It'll allow you to create a free account. And the cool thing about this Oanda account is it doesn't trade on MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. Look, consider and see if do you live in the U.S. So this is okay for people in the U.S. And then you'll be able to create your account, log in. And once you get your free account with Oanda, you can come back to TradingView. And let me go ahead and pull up a chart real quick. Now, again, you heard me talk about Sway and how they have their own platform. And you heard me talk about MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. But what I didn't say is while you're trading, right, in the beginning, you should be using TradingView demo trading, paper trading, right? Not using your real money, getting your strategy right, getting your skills set up this way. But after you're done paper trading and you're ready to go live, you can simply come right here and choose one of these brokers. That's Forex.com, Oanda, Webull, Tradovate, which is who we use. When you hear me go into Apex and how we're using prop firms, we use Tradovate. There's people who use Interactive Brokers, AWP, TradeStation, Optimus Futures, Iron Beam. There's a slew of them. Tradera is another good one that people use. But the ones that you'll see most are Alpaca, Tradera, Oanda, Tradovate, right? These are the ones that connect to the future brokers that we use. So Oanda, I can simply go here and then log in, and now I can use the Oanda broker on TradingView. So this helps to keep everything simple and in one place. So if you do want to trade with a broker that's not a prop firm, I definitely highly suggest you look into Oanda. Sway Markets is a good one. They have their own platform, but that's really it. So NVFX is another good one. We have a great relationship with the creators of NVFX. Again, you definitely want to do your due diligence, as some of these brokers aren't regulated. Some of these aren't A book and B book, which we'll go into deeper discussion as you get on the inside to learn about data and the importance of where you get your data from. But all in all, make sure you do your research on these brokers. Choose whoever you want. We want you to learn a skill set. We want to help develop the best version of yourself so you can ultimately use whatever platform, whatever broker you want, and still get the results. So here's, you'll see NVFX. They have the web trader. I believe they are also connected to TradeLocker now, so you can actually start trading on TradeLocker. Everything is, really coming up when it comes to prop firms and brokers and how they're, accessing these trading platforms. So again, do your due diligence, choose whoever you want, create a broker account, make sure you got a demo account, and then when you're ready for live, you can go live. Let's move on to prop firms. So back into the tools area, I'm going to click on prop firms. Now that we're in prop firms, you'll see we have Apex Funded Trader, we have Blue Guardian, we have City Traders, we have E8 Elite. Now, some of these prop firms may be here and may not by the time you get here to watch this video. We'll keep updating them as they update and upgrade themselves. But the two that we use the most are Apex and Top Step. I probably should use move Top Step up, but I think this is an alphabetical order. So if you click on Apex Funding, this will take you to the platform that we use. I mentioned it earlier in the training, but this platform right here is where you get paid to trade. I'll say it again. You get paid to trade. Now, you may be familiar with, going to work for a company and them paying you to do the work for the company. This is the same setup, except you don't have a credit check. There's no background check. The only proof you need is that you can actually trade, right? Show them that you could trade and they will give you money to trade for the rest of your life. Pay you out twice a month. Some of these other prop firms pay you out weekly, same day. So proprietary trading firms are big. That's why we're here. That's why we're super excited about Trade Hybrid, is because we not only teach you how to trade, we teach you how to use other people's money. And when you use other people's money and you do what you know you're supposed to do, which if you're here, you may not know what to do. So that's okay. We'll help you, right? We'll teach you what to do. And then we'll teach you how to consistently do that over and over again so you produce results not only for yourself, but for places like these prop firms that will pay you. You're seeing right here the average monthly compensation to customers since January has been $7.3 million. Total compensation to customers since 2022 has been $100 million. Total compensation to customers in the last 30 days, $37 million. So what this says is that this platform is paying people to produce results. So you can come in here and you can receive 100% of the first $25,000 per account. And then after your first 100% that you make on 25K, you get 90% of what you make. 2 payouts per month. You could trade full-size contracts. Now, for those that know futures, you could trade full-size or micros or mini. There's no scaling or failing by going over contract side. There's no daily drawdowns. You can trade on the holidays. You can trade normal day-to-day strategies that you create, that we help you create. There's no total cap on maximum payout, which means sky's the limit. There's a one-step evaluation process. You just have to show you can trade, and then they give you access to the funds. And then it also comes with the real-time data that you need so that you're trading good data and good information. You heard me talk about that with the brokers and how you want to be cautious and cognizant of the brokers that you use. With this platform, they give you real-time data. And then you actually have simple risk management rules. It's not too much to do. Once you can show you can trade, they give you access to not only your account, but you can actually trade up to 20 accounts. So this is how you see people that are learning to make just $2,000 in the market, but they have 20 accounts, right? So when they make $2,000 for the week, that's $8,000 for the month. But times 20, that's $80,000 they made off of just making $2,000. Now, this won't be everybody's results, to each his own, but what you're learning here is that this platform is a place that you can come, sign up for, learn the rules, and then potentially pay yourself out. With at least 7 trading days, you have to show that you can trade in 7 days. Now, sometimes like you'll get a special like today. If you can prove in 1 day you can pass, they'll fund you in 1 day. But minimum 7 days before you get funded. You can trade any day, 23 hours a day. You can trade during the news, one simple step. And once you prove that you can pass an evaluation, you'll get a paid account. And then from the paid account, you trade whenever you make money and you reach your goals, you get to keep 90%, they keep 10%. Now, they do have different price plans and price structures we can come in. So to each his own on whatever, is most comfortable for you. A lot of our members start off with the 25K account or the 50K account, which, again, this is demo money that once you prove you can trade, they give you access to. Now, we use the Tradeovate plan. So there's a difference between Rithmic and Tradeovate. So we use Tradeovate. And some of us have, 250K accounts, 50K, 300K accounts, especially when there's specials going on. Like today, we sign up for these accounts that are normally $207 a month, $187 a month, $227 a month, and we get them for 91% off. So this 50K, which was normally $187 a month, was $18 to get started. So you could potentially get access to $50,000 for $18 a month up front. And then, your normal, I think it's 80% off for your monthly. So maybe $37 a month. But sky's the limit, guys. You get access. Again, this is the most important part that a lot of people don't catch on to, is the fact that you can actually come here and get access to funds for close to nothing. You pay the monthly, you show you can trade, they give you access to these funds, you stay within the rules, you don't blow your account, you get the withdrawal, and you're good. Then if you start to refer people, you can actually get a 15% lifetime referral commission. So as you share with other traders what you're doing, they'll actually pay you. So you can scroll down to learn about the instruments you can trade on Rithmic. If you're a ninja trader, you like to use that platform, you can go there too. But you'll see it's equity futures, interest, currency, agricultural, energy futures, metal futures, micros, and cryptocurrencies. And then here's the instrument you can trade on Tradovate, which we use. You'll see interest, equity, currency, agricultural. You'll even see ICE and Eurex, which I don't even know what those are, but they're available to you. So sky's the limit with what you can trade with Apex. So definitely make sure you come, check this website out, do your due diligence, find out, choose whichever membership works best for you. If you guys want to do what we're using, we are using Tradovate. There is a video we'll attach to this that'll show you. It's a full video that shows exactly how to log into Apex, exactly how to get set up and what to expect. So I hope this video was informative for Apex, but then I'm going to go ahead and scroll on and show you some other companies that we have. We do have Top Step, which they have a different strategy, right? Where you can become a futures trader with them. Now, this is for futures trading as well. We will add some other prop firms like E8 Funding and FTMO just went through it. So some of these normal prop firms that are using MT4, MT5 data, they're having some issues. But for those that are trading futures, if you're, trading futures with us, Top Step, Apex are good. You'll see that they've been around for 12 years. You can pass them in 2 days. They've paid out $23 million since 2020. There's only one rule, one goal, right? You just manage your risk and you can start earning. So here's the same thing. You pay monthly. They give you access to 50K, right? Your goal is $3,000. If you make $3,000, you can get funded and you can get paid with them with a loss limit of $2,000. So you can't lose $2,000 before you make the $3,000. That's literally how this works. As long as you don't blow their money, they will pay you out. As long as you can stay within the rules, you can get paid out. So again, to each his own. Each of these brokers have different breakdowns, but these are the two that we use. So, and this one also comes with a membership deal where they do have some different coupons and discounts that come. So you can earn from funding right here. You literally click earn funding and you can start to sign up to one of these accounts. And from there, you can get access to their platform. They do have coaching. They have resources as well. So a lot of these prop firms not only give you access to the money, but they give you access to the community and the resources. So not only will you get that inside Trade Hybrid, you'll get access to the connections that we're connected to. So this just gives you more in-depth breakdown of the prop firm. So those are two futures. Here I'll click on the Fivers just to show you that there's MT4, MT5 platforms out there where you can get access to. Here's a funding for traders. You can come here. You can get up to $4 million, right, by coming in, showing that you can trade. Now, they do have platforms where you don't even have to show you can trade. You literally can just sign up and pay to play. Well, those are, of course, different ones. Let's go on high stakes. So you actually will have to pay a little bit more, but you get access to the funding straight away. So each platform is different. Each funding program is different. All that matters is that, you go through the process, you actually get access to other people's money and that you learn how to trade. Because once you learn how to trade and you get access to other people's money, you stick to your rules, you'll be passing and then you'll get paid out. Look, there's boot camps that they're giving away money, guys. They're literally giving away money. So our goal is to show you how to use other people's money, leveraging prop firms. So once you get on the inside, we'll have better videos, more, in depth about how you can use these brokers and these prop firms to get you funded to start paying you out weekly, consistently. Hope this video was informative. See you in the next.